Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu, beloved Huzur.
Islam.
My name is Nazir Sudan. My question is, Huzur, at school we often take pictures with our non-Ahmadi friends, then they post such pictures on social media without any bad intention. Huzur, what should we do in such cases?
You see, the one thing is that you should try to avoid getting your pictures taken with your fellow friends if you are a mature person and you are doing parda. You see?
Yes.
But if you yourself take your pictures with your friends and then ask them that they should not put this picture on social media. You can request them, they should not put it on social media. Right?
Yes.
If you are an Ahmadi girl who is observing parda and wearing hijab, so they should avoid these pictures done by any of your fellow friends. Right? And even if it has been taken, then they should not put it on social media.
Yes.
Right? You can request them, you can ask them, no problem. I think if they are your good friends, they will honor your request. Right?
Jazakumullah. Yes.